So let's talk about Solana. Solana is sitting at $208, $208.82. And I'm covering Solana after a while because Solana, we had targets with it. Last time when I covered it, it was sitting around $180. It was trying to capture it, and I told you that if it captures 180, the next target that we will have with Solana is going to be 200, and above 200 is of course 222. And right now it is holding on to $200 area very well. I'll show it to you. It actually did a retest yesterday as well, and the day before yesterday it did a retest. This is day before yesterday, this is yesterday, this is today. It came to $200 and it tested it, and every time it tests, it successfully holds on to it. Even when we look at $200 here, okay, you see that one candle went below it, okay, with the body. We don't count the wicks, but here it went below it, but the second one, it just flew back up. So even when we talk about the 2 days concept, it didn't fail with the 2 days concept. It actually stayed up. So for more than a week, it is holding up. It is holding up really well. And all this stuff is indicating one thing, that Solana is staying strong. Now, not only that, if you look at it, you have one bottom, you have a second bottom. It has started creating a double bottom structure, and this is your neckline. So you have one bottom, a second bottom. If it goes towards the area of 211, let's call it 210, so it's easy to remember. If it goes there, it breaks above 210, it will start shooting up, and we expect to shoot up anyway. When we talk about $200, it is only a matter of time. If it is staying above 200, it is only a matter of time that it will eventually go and hit the area of 222. Now let's talk about what do we expect from it in terms of long term. Where the hell is Solana going? Well, Solana had an opportunity to actually create a structure that will be really bullish, and it can really go to a higher price target. But then Trump came along with the launch of his meme coins. It broke up the overall structure, and now the long-term structure of Solana is not very strong. Strong in a sense that if Solana ends up going down, it will end up creating one shoulder, one head, another shoulder, and then unfortunately, if we like it or not, somewhere around 120, you will have a head and shoulder structure. And if it breaks 120, it will be a sayonara, because this is a very big structure. Now, I don't want to get this bearish about Solana, but the thing is that whenever Solana is selling mobile phones is the time when Solana is struggling internally as a project, and they are struggling financially. On the surface, of course, as an investor, all you look at is the graph. Behind the scenes, what happens to them, you never get to know. But if history has taught me anything when it comes to Solana, is that when they have phones out is the time when they have a financial cash crunch, and that doesn't look good. But anyway, with Solana, at least from the charts perspective, in short term, it is staying bullish. It is holding $200. It is the most bullish support area that Solana has. Once it loses the area of 200, we can start turning bearish about it, but I had to just share that structure because that is on weekly. It will take many weeks to complete, even if it wants to complete and create that head and shoulder structure, if it ever wants to. And that's everything you need to know about Solana. I'll see you in the next Bitcoin video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.